earlier deliberations. आपको चलो इधर ही छोड़ दीजिए। और कितना कितने कि आप अपना काम करो सर। मैं जब उधर बैठा था टीवी करता हूँ। Earlier deliberations that purpose is to sensitize, to keep everybody alert on quality matters, because students will come, sessions to start. We already have systems in place, and you have to see that we bring quality through those processes. If we do not, then all those things are of no use. Now, what quality I want you to follow, that I shall be talking. So, as the topic says, it is a workshop. Workshop money, workshop, everybody has to do something. Have you been to any workshop ever? Which workshop you have been? Huh?
Software testing workshop.
वो तो ज़्यादा sophisticated workshop you went there. If you go to a Maruti Udyog workshop, somebody is very straightening है, वो कोई टायर चढ़ा रहा है, कोई बड़ी बोनट खोल रहा है, कोई प्लग साफ कर रहा है, कोई बड़ी अलाइनमेंट कर रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है, तो everybody is doing something or the other in the workshop, and there is a manager who is watching that everybody is doing something. तो वर्कशॉप ऐसा होता है ना? मेरा मेरा विचार तो है ऐसा. So I'll be asking lot of questions, and in turn I'll come to know whether the basic knowledge on certain aspects like statistics or quality, does it exist? If it doesn't exist, then you have to go through the preliminary course, because I find people do not know many things, and they keep claiming that they will go for viable distribution and this distribution and that distribution, and they will find out this and find that, and then they will interpret it like this. It is of no use until unless you know the basics. If the basics are not known and you talk of all that, you are fooling yourself. You should know certain skills. Skill क्या होता है प्रीति जी? What is the skill? जल्दी बताइए प्लीज, take no time. Either you know it or you don't know it. That's nothing else. Either you know it or you don't know it. Let's go very fast. What is a skill? Huh? I don't need formal definition. We don't hide behind these LEDs. Either you know it or you don't know it.
Any specialty that we have, any special art that we know.
Anything which you can do with your own hands. अगर किसी को झाड़ू मारना आता है, sweeper, he only knows how to take out the dirty dirt from the corner. I will not be able to do. मैं उसको करने के लिए 50 बार मारूंगा, तभी dirt will stay there. But the sweeper will take out the dust from there very quickly because he has the skill. Unless you have the skill, you are of no use. Yeah. Have you understood this point which I have said? Unless you have the skill, you are of no use. You may keep talking so many things, and you may keep fooling people, and you may keep getting away with it, but unless you develop the skills, you are of no use. Your contribution will be zero. You may keep getting good salary, you may be in the good books, everybody, but if you do not have the skill, you are just hoodwinking and fooling the system. Isn't it? Hello? बताइए. Who does not agree with me on this? जी, अगर आपको ये नहीं है, if you do not know the skills, then you cannot impart the skills. How can you impart the skills? Skills जब impart होगी जब आपको अच्छा आता है, और अच्छा आने के लिए आपको ज्ञान पूरा इधर होना चाहिए और उसको ग्राउंड पे प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए. अगर ग्राउंड पे प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते हैं, ज्ञान इधर है, तो स्किल डेवलप नहीं होगी. थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज आपको बहुत अच्छी होगी. You will be a very good person who will tell things, बट आप अपने हाथ से कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो उससे क्या होगा? व्हाट विल हैपन? You will not be able to achieve results which you can otherwise achieve by carrying out analysis, by arriving at some, you can say, inferential aspects. कि ये चीज देख करके I infer this and this is the result. वो चीज आप नहीं कर पाएंगे because you do not know how to plot data, how to make use of this data, how to make use of the statistics. वो आपको आना बहुत जरूरी है और ये बहुत बड़ी कमी है and I am convinced that people do not know. They keep on fooling themselves and others for years together without knowing things. So workshop I told you. Now let's look at statistics. What is statistics? क्या होता है statistics? Facts and figures. आप मुझे अंग्रेजी मत बोल के बताइए, आप मुझे बेसिक स्टैटिस्टिक्स समझाइए. व्हाट इज स्टैटिस्टिक्स? फैक्ट्स फिगर्स तो ठीक है, आपसे अग्री हो गए. डेटा कलेक्ट करके
किसी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट पे सर डेटा कलेक्ट करके किसी पर्टिकुलर इशू पे या टॉपिक पे उसके बाद कुछ इंफरेंसेस निकालना.
ये अच्छा, ये स्टैटिस्टिक्स है, ठीक है. This girl who is behind you, what is your concept of statistics?
Data analysis.
So you straight away go to analysis. Okay. ये राधिका थापती.
Identifying the data, grouping it and ungrouping the not essential things.
Okay.
So it is a set of rules and procedures which is
Set of rules and procedures.
to organize, interpret and analyze
Analyze what?
data and
Okay.
information collected.
ये बताओ, ये क्या नाम है? जो अंशुल ये अभी पढ़ के आई है कुरुक्षेत्र यूनिवर्सिटी से. She will be able to do better. हाँ बताइए.
So it's a branch of mathematics which can give you
हाँ हाँ बोलो बोलो.
the platform for the collection, analysis as well as interpretation of the entire data.
So that means it's a branch of mathematics. It is a science. It has acquired the status of science. Where what is happening? You are trying to look at data. Data is the basic entity in statistics. On that data, what are you doing? First, you are trying to find out where is it getting generated. It is getting generated at RDIS. It is getting generated in your office. You are the mentor of some students and you are trying to find out the details about those students. किसको कितने नंबर आए, कौन किसमें माहिर है, किसको किसमें कैपेबिलिटी कमजोर है, कैसा उसका वो है, you know, all the things. उसका क्या एनरोलमेंट नंबर है, उसका कितने भाई है, बहन है, माँ है, एड्रेस क्या है. All this is data getting generated at various places. If you go to manufacturing industry, lot of material is coming in, lot of material is going out, lot of material is being valued, how much money it is, that, so many things. So all those data elements, they constitute statistics. In any service industry also, here it is a service industry, lot of data is getting generated. Now, if you keep this data, what do you do with this data? आपने अगर कोई चीज पकड़ी है, कितना बड़ा कंटेनर लिया, उसके अंदर डाल के रख दी, what will you make use of it? You don't know what is at the bottom, what is in the middle, what is on top. Something you can see, you can say इसमें बुक्स है, रफ स्टेशनरी पड़ा है, क्या है? So raw data बन जाता है. Raw data is not meaningful to you, isn't it? Now उस meaningful को meaningful बनाना है, बगैर meaning को meaning बनाना है, क्या करना चाहिए? Segregation. हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक है. You can say based on certain parameters. It could be based on time, कितने समय में जनरेट हुआ है. तुम अभी एनालाइज करके पता करना चाहती हो परफॉर्मेंस, एंड यू एनालाइज डेटा ऑफ द past 3 years. कोई मतलब नहीं. You should analyze the current data. So time dimension is one. Gender is another important thing. If you want to discriminate between performance of male, female, like that. और कई तरह की बातें हो सकती है. रीजन कुड बी वन. इफ यू आर इन द सेल्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, हमारा वेस्ट में ज्यादा सामान बिक रहा है या इधर, तो दिस वे यू आर क्रिएटिंग फ्रॉम रॉ डेटा some meaningful data. So this process is called what? Processing is general. Processing तो सारे processing economic terms में क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Classification. You classify. So from raw data you have arrived at classified data. Classified data has to be put in the form of tables. The table will make meaning to you. There are many people sitting here that I have seen in my army. They will talk of all pretty high-fi Lakshya Angrezi bolenge, but if you ask them to design a table, they won't be able to design a table. By looking at the table, the data should convey you many things. So you don't know how to design a table. When you don't know how to design a table, how will you classify the data? Your classification will become faulty. Once the faulty classification is there and data is not tabulated meaningfully, it will not convey you any intelligence. You cannot infer anything from it. So your future is, you don't know what, in which direction to go. So you get stuck at this stage only. So compilation of data in this meaningful form in a well-designed table is very important. See what I have said? And the definition of statistics is going on along with what I am saying. It is data getting generated, data getting collected in a garbage bin. From there it is getting compiled in that classified form. It is making intelligence, conveying some intelligence to you. And based on that intelligence, what are you doing now? You are inferring. यदि ये डेटा ऐसा है तो इसका मतलब उपासना has not done her job. If this data is very good, then Manisha has done her job very wonderfully, or she has done very well. Some MBA faculty has not done the well, or students of second shift are not doing well, or they are doing very well. So you infer and you arrive at certain conclusions. And based on that conclusion, your future actions or your future actions and your future course of action gets decided. So this is a very, very important understanding if you really understand statistics. ये चीज आपको पता है, मिस्टर सोमेंद्र कुमार, वो PhD करने जा रहे हो, ये जो बेसिक प्रिलिमिनरी एस्पेक्ट अबाउट स्टैटिस्टिक्स, ये चीज पता है, आपने करा है ये? How many tables have you created? Your DSW, there are 1200 students in this institute. To find out details about them and in relation to welfare which you can do or achieve, what tables have you created? इसको भी देखते ही जुड़ी ऐसा दिमाग में वो पेरेंट्स आ जाता हो. Have you created any tables? 1200 students, hundreds of actions which are required to be taken by DSW, and not a single table created. See, it is in front of you. Don't blame me. I am not insulting you. I am trying to figure out information now. In front of you. 1200 students, lot of changes, lot of actions to be done. MBA, MCA, welfare activity, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, out of Delhi, in Delhi, first divisioners, second divisioners, third divisioners, seeking so many favors, and not a single table created. Is the situation very alarming, or is it acceptable? Yes. Is the situation alarming, or is it very acceptable? How many students from J&K government is extending so many facilities. Delhi government is extending so many facilities. UP government is extending so many facilities. How can you advise students and tell them in a very nice way to make use of those facilities until unless you have these tables, well designed, meaningful tables? Yes or no? Will you kindly do? So you are only working at raw data level. Working at raw data level, where how far will it take you? So it will be creating a confused DSW. You will be the most confused DSW who will not have any direction. He will not be able to contribute. He will not be able to advise the students. Don't feel insulted. I am not insulting you. I am going by. मैंने तो कोई ये तो कहा कि मेरा इच्छा इसका किसी का इंसल्ट करना नहीं है. I am arriving at something. So this is one very important aspect. At HOD level, at coordinator level, at any appointment order level, you have to have your data in a meaningful way, in well-designed tables, which can convey you a lot of intelligence. By looking at it yourself, by when you show it to others, if you are not doing it, that means you are just taking decisions by hunch, by conjectures, guesswork कर रहे हो, meaningless, not adding anything to the quality of your decisions. Your quality of your decisions will be very, very ordinary, very, very meaningless. You will be very soon, you will be getting into the category of people just coming and going back, coming and going without any contribution. So, have I made it clear? Now, you see these statistical tools. Up to now, we are only talking about statistics, classification of data, and making intelligent tables and like that, and keeping it ready for any use at your own level, at the level of the organization or at the departmental level. But now, if you have to further analyze it, there are certain tools. By using the tools, by using the technology, you can do wonders. What wonders? बताइए लेकिन कोई क्या वंडर करेंगे आप?
Depending on the objective of the study, you can actually जाते हैं
No, your objective is clear. You are a faculty here, and you have to have your data, and you have to know the tools of technology. आप क्या वंडर करना चाहेंगे?
Based on what we have done earlier in the reports, the result we have actually got, we can analyze the data in a definite form. And
So now we are coming to the, if you require further analysis, if you have a very large data for which you do not, you have not done anything beyond this compilation which I have told you, that compilation has to be analyzed further. Now that analysis has to be carried out. For that you require certain tools, some very basic tools. जो आपने देखा गाँव में लोहार होता है वो कैसे टूल्स रखता है. एक तो बहुत भारी भारी मशीनें आ गई आजकल. तो पहले क्या होता था, एक हथौड़ा, एक छीनी और एक थोड़ा सा गर्म करने की जगह एक उसको हवा मारने के लिए. So but people could do the job. So very basic preliminary tools are there, very advanced tools are there, and now with the advent of computers and further say progress in the statistical sciences, very beautiful software packages are developed. You don't have to do much of that developmental work. You don't have to apply your mind. You have to make the data available to the package. Now that package को data available कराना itself is a skill. अगर आपको पैकेज को डेटा भी अवेलेबल कराना नहीं आया तो व्हाट रिजल्ट विल द पैकेज गिव यू? जीरो रिजल्ट. कुछ नहीं करेगा वो आपके लिए. ही विल थ्रो बैक योर डेटा गार्बेज इन गार्बेज आउट. So you have to understand how to make that package working for you. क्या उस पैकेज को वर्क कराने के लिए आपको पता करना है कि किस फॉर्म में इसको डाटा चाहिए. क्या उसकी डाटा की यूनिट होनी चाहिए. शुड इट बी काउंट, शुड इट बी केजीज पर or per liter or some such thing based on certain units. In some form it is requiring the data. So you have to prepare your data to meet that requirement of the software packages. It is again a process of compilation and pre-processing process. अगर वो नहीं करोगे आप तो package will not accept your data. Package will not give you any results. बदाम साहब मैं ठीक बोल रहा हूँ. अगर आप पैकेज तो कर रहे हैं थोड़ी देर में आप यू विल गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. अगर ये कैसा पैकेज है तो कुछ डिजाइन गड़बड़ है इसमें समथिंग रॉन्ग. चलो मैं तो अपने घर जा रही हूँ. हेल्प विद इट. सो दैट फ्रस्ट्रेशन विल take you to a level where your motivation will become zero. So all the more reason that you should know how to make the data available to a package. ठीक है. अगर आपने उस पैकेज का ठीक से इस्तेमाल करना है, नहीं तो पैकेज आपको बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेट कर देगा और आप इतने फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाएंगे कि सॉफ्टवेयर को देखिए ही नहीं, कंप्यूटर को डिसलाइक करना शुरू करेंगे. I have seen it happening. There was a very good gentleman. He wrote one program, and when he wrote one program, the printer at one point kept on hitting and hitting, and it made such a big hole in the output paper, and he said this is the output because he didn't know printer got stuck, and his system was so very clumsy because he had no interest, and he said this is all nonsense. It happens. It happens with very senior and intelligent people because आपका एप्टीट्यूड होना चाहिए. अगर आपका डेटा हैंडलिंग का एप्टीट्यूड है तो आप कर पाएंगे, लेकिन नहीं कर पाएंगे. मालूम? So this is another area. Now you have to monitor quality. So what is quality? अब अगली बात आती है, इस डेटा को आप प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं, कंपाइल कर रहे हैं, इकट्ठा कर रहे हैं और प्रोसेस करके यू वांट टू अराइव एट सर्टेन फिगर एंड देन यू डिराइव आउट ऑफ इट वेदर द सिस्टम प्रोसेस टास्क व्हाटएवर इट is having some quality in it or not. Does it meet our quality parameters or not? So what is that quality? Quality बताइए, आपकी quality से क्या समझेंगे आप? Because out of this data, you are now changing your direction. You are here only using these tools to arrive at the quality parameters. Quality की बात हो रही है अभी कि quality है मेरे सिस्टम में या नहीं है. तो वो क्या क्वालिटी आप देखना चाहेंगे किसी भी सिस्टम में? इतनी नहीं, पहले क्वालिटी की बात करो. क्वालिटी क्या चीज है?
Like whatever we actually want for the development of our institution or the organization, if we are able to achieve those results from the data, then the data.
Does it mean that kind of availability of those attributes, characteristics, or by standards? Standards though is a different. Standard is a benchmark. You have to reach that standard. But what you are trying to achieve is those. What are those attributes? Are we able to do that? Are we achieving that? If we are able to achieve those parameters by compilation of all this, you analyze it, and you say what is the achievement by that parameter, then you say yes, some quality is there. Suppose your pass marks are 50%, but if your all the students are getting 80 and above, you are saying now statistically क्या कहना चाहिए? एक होता है I'll go little into the tools और very ordinary tool, वो क्या कहते हैं, उसका नाम क्या होता है? Mode. अगर mode is that parameter in data which has got the highest frequency. अगर आपका mode is around 90, then you have achieved it. अगर आपका mode 10 आ गया तो what has happened? That means तुम्हारे बच्चों को तो कुछ समझ नहीं आया. During 6 months you have taught nothing, or if you have taught, students have not understood. Overall result is 0. So you should know what is mode. Hello? बताइए क्या होता है mode? क्या नाम तुम्हारा? सुरेंद्र कुमार. अरे मोड क्या होता है? मीन मोड मीडियन ये मालूम नहीं है? तुमको एमएससी मैथमेटिक्स हो, फिर तुम मोड नहीं जानते? सेंट्रल टेंडेंसीज इन डाटा, यू डोंट नो मीन मोड मीडियन. मोड